it's Rhonda, and I like to say things, so I'm called Rhonda Said on the YouTube. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm having a really good day. It's my birthday weekend, and you're probably seeing this on a Monday, but this is the weekend, and I'm having a good time. And today I'm going to be using a new palette. It's the Mini Midnight Voyage palette from McGrath's, and it's adorable, and it's only $29, and it's got some beautiful shades in here, and you see some fingerprints because I have some swatches. Who wants to see magic swatches? You do? Okay. Bam! Here it is. It's very, very pretty. It's going to make a great look. I'm very excited about it. Stacy's mom has got it going on. That song is in my head and I wish I was not singing it. I have something to do with that though, don't I? Looks like I had a little old mascara drip down from my shower. Let's take this for a spin. A spinderella, if you will. I'm going to start off with this really pretty shade here. It's a shimmer and it looks gorgeous. And this palette's only been out for a little while, so it is new to the world. Joy to the world, all the boys and girls now. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. Joy to you and me. That is what's going on here. A lot of joy. We're going to go see a play and have lunch at a dinner theater, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get in here with this beautiful purple. It's also a shimmer. It's going to give us some depth. It's very pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's so hard to get it even. I know it looks easy because I've got a lot of practice, but it's not always easy. I'm going to take my finger and go into this shade here and put it on my eyelids. It's very pretty. And that's kind of a complete look. But I'm not done yet. I'm going to clean off my index fingers and go into this lightest shade and soften everything up. Oh, that's so pretty and soft. So now I'm going to do liner and mascara, and I will be right back. And voila! This looks so pretty. I feel so pretty. For my lips, I'm going to do a nude, a Seductress number 65 Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And there we go. We've got a gorgeous look with the Midnight Voyage mini palette, and it's great. It made a quick look, so fun, and I hope you have a great rest of your day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.